You are here, you are here. You perform. These people pay. These people did not steal money to pay. My God, perform. Yes. I've been here for 52 years. I know what I'm doing.
Good, speak
You have to
English.
come. People call you from the Philippines. Oh, have a show in Hawaii. My gulay in Hawaii. And then they bring me this afternoon in the place that no kike. Why kike? Kike. I don't know what's that kike. But all I know is kike. Ayan, nagbili ako ng medyas kasi nakalimutan ko medyas ko eh. At saka nawala yung wig ko eh. Actually,
Ay.
ganito. Nakita niyo yung buhok ko? This is natural resources. I tell you, I have so many stories, but I will do the stories later on after this. What?